In this video, I will show how you can export a Stitch UI design to Figma. You can see I have opened Stitch. I'll open a project from here. These are the designs that were generated using AI. To export them to Figma, click here. You can see it says here to select screens. You can choose specific screens that you want to export, or simply press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all of them. I'll go ahead and select all the screens. You can also see that we have different export formats available. Select Figma and then click on Convert. After a few seconds, you'll get the option to copy. Just click on it. Now open Figma in a new tab and create a new design file. Press Ctrl+V on your keyboard and you'll see that your design from Google Stitch has been successfully exported to Figma. You can click on any of these components to edit them and make any changes you want. So yeah, this is how you can export a Google Stitch design to Figma. You can also export it in different formats depending on your needs. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to build a website using AI, then you can check out this video right here. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.